But no, we get something hooked back there. I gotta go after it. I gotta chase it. Like, I gotta go after it. I ain't bringing it up over this grass unless it's like a little dinky, which is probably the case, but whatever. You gotta just hook it and snag it in the grass and go get it. Pioneer style. He doesn't even hit the water. He just All right, frog. Your fate has been decided by the council. Back on my Texas rig bullshit. No, not at all. But I was listening to dance music at 9 a.m. through a loud PA speaker system, so it's not bad, it's just not ideal, right? I see y'all swimming around. What the? Why? Why do you taunt me? All right, y'all. We done played around long enough. Somebody's making some moves out there. I mean, white perch is basically like, I mean, that's basically saying you're ready to fight is what I'm saying. That ain't where I wanted it, but we'll make it work. Like I said, we'll make it work, baby. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come on with it. Come up here, baby. Got him. Anybody see it? Ooh, don't be mad at me. That's gonna go, that's gonna help me. That's gonna help my cause. He's gonna be over 12 and a half. All right, let's get in the sunlight. Let's get the board. Let's get him on the board. Oh yeah, we're gonna go 15. I take a 15. Is your mouth shut? I'm gonna hope one of those got my 15. Hold on, I gotta look at the pics. All right, you ready to go home? You ready to go? I think you're ready to go. Let's get them going out to the home lane here. Tell your friends I'll let you go. Get off the board. Go. We did it. For those playing along, Zoom, Ultra Vibe, Speedworm, and Sungill is what we got. Yeah, I'm not really letting it hit the bottom. He's kind of doing like a, I mean, he's moving, but that tail is obviously where the action's coming from. So if you can get it to kind of like just do a little, one of those little numbers. I already switched. Yeah, we switched up. We switched up. I got my Xylon infused Bassmaster rod from Bass Pro Shops. I've repaired the handle 3 times. Very heavy. No sensitivity. They're cheering for me. Hey, I'll see you on the lot. We'll sign autographs. Yeah, I can see the bottom. It's pretty neat. Oh my God. Oh, when you feel it, when you feel a bite through a rod that has 0 sensitivity, it's probably not small. All right, all right. Oh, well, that sucks. All right, shake that one off. All right, do it again. I'm getting the grass, just might as well. Yeet! Got his ass. He's in the grass. He's in the grass. Look at this. It's right there. Are you there? Oh. Come here. Are you still there? What's in there? What's... Oh, he's still there. Come here. What's in there? Is there a fish in here? Oh, I see his lip. I got his lip. Oh! What I was telling y'all earlier. If I get one in the grass, we just gonna have to stick it and hope he's there when we get there. Oh man, you love to see it. You love to see it. All right, you ready to shut your mouth? Because I gotta get a photo. Ooh, I like this. I like what you're doing with that length there. That's a 16 1/4. All right, I get my camera. You don't go nowhere. Ow, you shithead! Don't even think about it. You stay in this boat. No, get your shit together. Hold on, y'all. I didn't mean to cuss, but you can't be doing this. 16 1/4. My hand is not on the gills. I know I'm neglecting the GoPro angles. You still on some bullshit? All right, tell your friends. I'll let you go. Whew. Oh, there's so much grass in this damn place, man. Floating vegetation, sinking vegetation, every other vegetation. I use organic anchors. Just roll up in some vegetation and I ain't going nowhere. But we've been going through it today. Oh shit. There's a croc out here. Uh-oh. I don't know how we're gonna deal with this. I didn't know we had those out here. Y'all, I think I'm gonna grab this croc. Y'all that came through, I appreciate it. We got one more weekend in the month-long event. I don't think I'm doing next month's event, so if we can't get something figured out next week, then I don't know what to do with my life.